Well, hello there, my fellow humanoids and clever bunnies. Today is yet another glorious day in the empire of Pulse Fundamentals. We will start our project Man Cave, yes, which is basically repurposing the garage to my man cave slash tech room slash workshop, whatever. So I can dedicate this room to my little princess, 5-year-old princess. Yeah, basically. So we will have one procrastination as per. What the hell? Yes, just go. You know, procrastination, my favorite thing. So, what shall we do? Again and again, this is, I think, I really do not want to engage in street battles. I want to, at the edge, in the suburbs, picking off people who are trying to pick off our guys. And we know where they will be at, of course we do. So we are gonna play a couple of games until the wifey and the kiddo arrive. Then I will go and fetch some materials to repurpose the garage. I will take out the garage door, put up a little wall. Come on, where are you at? There, for sure. So the problem here is the great reversing. Oh, am I lagging? What the hell is this? Let's make him curious, lure him in. That's the M4A3 Merc. Let's shoot just he's also peeking around the top there, you know. Yeah, I know you, man. Where the hell? So, oh, yeah. Yes. Bandita! Katova, goddamn dead, man.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
Katova! Oh. Katova. Me. Is he shooting? He is shooting. Oh my god. Oh god damn it. Shouldn't do it. Let's. You need. Just, oh, he got Katova, that's for sure. We're going to. Oh. Katoba, goddammit. Oh yeah, he's watching. I can see you. You probably be a furry. I don't have any artillery. Look at that. He is anticipating. He retreated, so I can go out, huh? Oh yeah. He was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get with him. Katoba, man. We all like the Katoba once in a while, but not that often. Oh my god. I'm just behind the bar. In a shitty position. People are about to get Katoba, huh? Ooh, let's run behind this. What the hell happened here? Huh. So, yeah, got the fuse one, which we definitely like. And then we will have 125 millimeters ammo. Yeah, yes please. Can we get some additional skill set without the real skills? We shall have that. Just checking, can't remember. Okay, let's do the next one. So yeah, basically it's gonna be wood construction and a door. Not too many windows, I think, but I think I need to get some natural light in, so I don't look like a Dracula after a while. And then we'll have our 3D printers, our routers, and robots, and Scheisse and Dyson there, and we will set up a small factory test site, whatever. There, I hope I can manage, by the way. It is not that difficult, but of course, like anything else, we need to have skill. Oh my god, did I forget to set my god? Did I? Oh my. Here I am talking away about absolutely shit, and then I forget the most important part. I forget to set my ammo, huh? Or did I? I probably did. Oh my god. Well, being old does not help. Well, if I was living in like Portugal or France, I'll probably be a pensioner now, or close to. Well, pensioner in a socialist country does not sound that bloody awesome. to be truly honest. My personal opinion is that socialism is a mental disorder. How the hell did it become law to rob people to pay others? Oh my god, so it's sickening. Okay, we need to just push here and behind the lines. Oh, look at that! Katova, where is he looking at? Katova that, you bastard! Yeah. Oh, let's fly a bit, huh? First, we are behind lines, so where attention, where? There, yes. Okay, at the corner of that. That would be corner. And we got of course I chose, there's a Готово, that. Where is he looking at? Is he looking at the other way? Ah, готово. I got готово. Oh Jesus! No, no! Oh my God! Yeah. Oh yeah. I got Katovat. Well, that would be expected. Let's take the next one. What did I do here? No, I actually had that little thingy on. So we're gonna diffuse as well. 4. How the hell? my god. How the hell could that survive that shit, man? Yamaha 1969. It should be the crew are all dead and shice and dice and What's that? These are the regulars. These are armor piercing, shice and dice and these are anti-aircraft. Default with the BR 167. Bastards. It was actually these. Damn it, man. It was a loss. I was sure we was going to win that. So T-34, and now we got the big penetrator. And what will we will have spread. Yes, take that, and we got armor, and we got this. And this high explosive, long range. We will take either transmission or something like this. And see, that is also horsepower, inclination. Let's take that one first then. So, what is the time? It's almost 12 o'clock. Crew training, we definitely got that vitality going on here. And nothing there. So I think we're ready for one more. One more, I said. So that's basically it. It's gonna be yeah. I had to have the wood to impregnate it. Yes, indeed impregnate it with anti-rot, antifungal stuff. It's getting pushed into, into the wood under pressure, under heat, something like that. Didn't I just get something here? Yeah, thought so. So we got we got that. We got the high explosive, we got this shit going on. And we got that M5 fuse. Oh my god. We're gonna take this one, yeah, because that is going to be replaced next time. Okay. Let's. I don't know. I don't got the hardest clue what I'm doing with this ammo shit. Still, after billions of years playing this game, to me it's all like looking at the spot what you're looking at. But I can't. I had the tree. Yeah. I'm gonna try to follow my body, yeah. Here's in the Stridswagen, the overpowered Swedish ones. Oh my god, already wasted 2 ammo. My state is going to get bankrupted on this. So, what's happening here? Somebody got murdered? Oh yeah, my body got. Oh! What the hell? Yeah. Sweet Jesus, yeah. Look at that. Russian as well. The KB, was it a 1 or was it EIS, or I can't see it. Jesus Christ, man. Huh? And I need to go like out of goddamn harm's way. And he is like he was in this direction, huh? We need to outflank the outflanker. But it's difficult to see him even, huh? Thought so. Does he see me? There's plenty there, man. I haven't got enough deflection, huh? I spotted I am goddamn spotted. Yeah. And I'm of course. Oh, it didn't even hurt his barrel, huh? Oh. Ah.
Бронебойным готово. Авиация на подлете.
Goddamn Katoba. Yes. Oh my god, I cannot penetrate that cunt. Oh, that sounded so wrong. We need to get the hell out of here. That's what we need. Definitely. The other guys trying to outflank me. or just paranoid, but paranoid helps sometimes to stay alive. But this is like playing the game. It's not like rushing and dying, you know. Oh my Jason Dyson. Do you think they're seeing me? I don't know. Who's scouting them? Umfassende spider, huh? What's that? The covering spider or something like that? All being spider. All umfattende, big spider. Well, that was fun. We lost. And then we need to take the loser gun.
Thank you very much.
Half a century reload. Go away. He's gonna bomb something. Got a flanking action going on. Somebody are dying. They're dying. They're getting murdered because people are attacking my. Goodbye and come again. We are watching him carefully, like the rapid Katova. Oh my god. Ah ja. Jason Dyson. God, fucking shot by something anime. Makes me sick to my stomach. Pervert. Where the? Oh my god. No fucking penetration. Mystrial. Готово.
Авиация на подлете.
That was bloody close, huh?
Just keep it up, and victory will be ours. Запрашиваю авиационный удар. Цели достигнуты. Окопаться.
No. So 350 defeated. What did we get? And in the USSR we got some blood for blood. Oh yes, we like that. So much, so revengeful, so First Testament, so much Torah, so much the Hadith. So, what's up? To hangar. Did we get any crew trainings? We got the vitality. We need to keep them alive. Okay, that was it for this beautiful Saturday. Beautiful Saturday. And later I think it will be some various news and